Welcome back. Today we are going to be making our own rainbow slimy gloop. So here are some easy to follow instructions. And we have our toddler. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to use 8 of these. You can use plastic or paper cups.
Mommy.
1. Leave it, please. 2.
Remember to hold it.
No, we don't hold it yet. 3.
Drink?
4. No drinking. 5.
My eye first.
6. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is to fill 1 cup, which I have here. Fill 1 cup with 90 milliliters of warm water. So I have some water in here. 90.
Okay. Mama.
Okay, here's 1.
Mama. Mama. Mommy, this.
And 3.
Mama.
So here's our 90 milliliters of water. Do you see? Look at the water.
It's underwater.
Don't touch it. It's very, very hot, okay?
That's a
We have to be careful.
Mom.
Now we are going to use our mixing stick to mix the whole bottle of clear glue. So we did get this glue. So I'll be mixing this into the water. Can you help me, Lay?
What's it?
Okay. For now.
1, 2.
This one? Let's put it here. Okay, I need to open this one. It's open. Oh, can you put it inside?
Okay.
Can you squeeze it, please? Wow, good job. Oh, be careful, be careful. Okay, let me see. Is it finished?
Oh, I got the water.
Yeah, this is glue. Can you say glue?
Blue.
It's in water. Okay, I think that's enough. Ready? Let's close. Can you help mommy close? Now, let's take our mixing stick and start mixing. It's finished. Close it, please. Feels like a gel. Okay, we're going to set this aside.
Here you go, Mama.
Thank you. The glue is all done. Okay, ready for the next step?
Hurry.
Okay, sit down, please. The next step is to fill a 2nd cup. Can I have 1 cup, please?
No.
Fill this one with 90 milliliters of water as well. 1. Be careful. 2. Be careful. 3. Good job. Okay, that's 90 milliliters of water. This next part, we're going to take the sodium tetraborate.
This is hot.
And use the spoon to mix that in. Here's my spoon. For this one, we only want to add in 1 of these small spoons. Okay, the next thing is to take 6 of the plastic cups and to layer them. Can you count? How many?
A cup.
Good job. How many? 1,
2.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's okay, Mama.
Okay, let's put it like this, okay? Can we switch over it like this? Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's leave it there.
1.
Now, can you open the paints, please? We have the 6 different colors here that we're going to use making the slime. Can you open it for me, please? Can you take it out? Take it out.
I need help.
No, you did it. Look, you did a good job. Well, should we go over the colors? What color is this?
Purple.
Good job. Purple. This one? This one?
Green.
This one. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. How about this one?
Yellow.
This one is like a green.
Green.
And this one?
Orange.
No, this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. And this one? Orange?
Orange.
Good job. And this one?
Red.
Red. Yeah.
Colors
Colors of the rainbow. You want to open it? Okay, now we will take each of the paints and put them in each cup. 6 cups for 6 paints.
Mine, I help.
Can I try? Okay. First one we're going to do is red. It's going in. Here's the red. So the red paint is in one of the cups.
It should go.
Okay.
It should
She
go.
wants to play with
Don't
Play-Doh.
touch. Don't touch.
Okay.
Don't touch. I touch. Don't touch.
Here you go.
Don't touch,
Here
Mama.
you go, Play-Doh.
Don't touch.
The next color we're going to be putting in is orange. Okay. The next color is yellow.
Mama, this is yellow.
It's yellow. Yeah, good job, Mama. The next one is this green color. Can I have the cup, please? Thank you.
Okay, Mama.
Thank you. Here's green. It's like a lime neon color. Be careful. The next one is blue.
Here you go, Mama.
I'll have the cup. Thank you.
This is
Empty
full.
cup. Now let's put the blue color. Here is blue. And lastly, let's do purple.
Don't touch.
Purple is now done.
Papa. Okay, Mama.
Now, the next step is to take the glue mixture set from earlier and pour an equal amount into each cup of paint. So here's my glue mixture set. It's the jelly almost consistency. And we're going to pour it into each of these cups, an equal amount. Okay. I think that looks pretty equal. We have the blue, the yellow, the purple, the green, orange, and red. And that's Play-Doh. Now let's do red. Now we're going to take our solution, the sodium tetraborate, and we're going to slowly pour a small amount into each paint cup while stirring until your slimy glop is formed. You only need a small amount of this.
Here you go, Mama.
So be careful when you're pouring.
Cuff. Mama, treat cuff.
And again, I'm still using the same sticks, the mixing sticks, to match each color because we don't want the colors to mix just yet. So let's do green first. I'm going to pour a small amount. And just mix. It's already gotten so thick. This can get really messy, so make sure you have something wherever you are doing this kind of project because you don't want it to splash everywhere like it is happening for me. I guess I can add a tiny bit more.
Don't worry, Mama.
To collect the bottom of it. There you go. You see how it separates from the cup? Okay, so for now we're going to leave this on the side. And we're done with the green. Now let's take the orange and add a little bit of this and start mixing. My hands are super messy. That's okay, we're having fun. I think a good way to tell if you have enough solution with the glue is if it's coming out from the side of the cup. So if it's not sticking, then that's good. See, this is just moving around freely and easily. So I think this one is ready too. Okay, again, we're leaving this on the side. Now I'm taking yellow. Mix until well combined. See how it's coming right off? I think that's a good sign. Yellow. Okay, now I'm going to be taking purple, adding in a little bit of mixture, and mixing. My hands have all the colors on them mixed together. Kind of looks cool. Anyway, here's purple mixed in with a little bit of color. That's okay. Set aside. Oh, my toddler made me ice cream. Time to take a break. Thank you. This was so delicious. How much is it? $2. Here you go. Bye-bye. We're taking red, adding in some mixture. This one's a little watery, but that's okay. Let's take it out. Very, very slimy. It is, that's the name of it, SlimyGloop. And we're setting this to the side. And lastly, we're taking our blue color, blue, and we're adding some of the solution and mixing. More ice cream. Thank you so much. I got more ice cream. How much is it?
Sandra and Mama.
It's delicious. Thank you.
No.
So here's our blue. Very watery, like the red.
Mama.
But it's ready. Now the next step is to layer all of the colors on top of one another, and as you mix the colors, it says you're gonna have a rainbow effect. So far we have the blue, the purple, and the yellow mix. I'm going to be adding orange, and then I'll add green. And to top it off, I'm just going to add our red color. And now let's mix it together. Do you want to help me? Come here, please. Sit down. Okay, so we're mixing it. It's supposed to have a rainbow effect. I don't know if it will.
I sit
Here.
here, Mama.
No, you can sit there. Here, have some. Here. Come here. Here, you want to hold some? Here. Can you mix? Mix, mix, mix.
Here you go, Mama. Mix.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Oh, it is cool. Look, it's all different colors, rainbow colors. Mixed in. How do you like it, Lay? Is it cool?
I like it first.
Can you go like this? Show us. Go like this. Cool. And there you have it. This is our rainbow slimy glue.
With the sprinkles.
Yeah, it doesn't have any sprinkles. It doesn't have anything else that's textured inside. It's just a slime.
Just a slime.
Yes. Oh, this is so pretty.
Mom, it's shapy.
Is it pretty?
Pretty.
Cool. Say bye.
No.
No, you don't want to say bye to friends?
No.
Bye, friends. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.
No.
Yes, we have to go. Now we're going to say bye.
No.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.